Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, WeBe Autos. Today we have a beautiful car. It's a 1988 Porsche Cabriolet. It's finished in medium blue, or metallic blue I should say. It has a shale interior. We do have the original wheels. They're in nice shape. You can see pictures of those on the WeBe website. The car has about 80,000 miles. Runs and drives fantastic. Metallic blue is a pretty rare color. Similar to the 360 color. Or 355, I should say. Sorry about the wind. Power seats. We have a custom stereo, Alpine. Does have an amp and custom speakers as well. All the gauges work. You have the certificate of authenticity as well. Well, thanks for joining us today. Any questions at all, feel free to give me a buzz. Again, it's Michael at WeBe Autos. I'm at 631-339-0399. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot.